we have a number of terms and definitions within action engineering that we take from the industry and kind of where they're trending. So right now, model-based engineering isn't really a sanctified term by any standards organization, but the way that NIST, which is National Institutes for Standard and Technology, the way they defined it in 2012 is an approach to product development, manufacturing, and life cycle support that uses a digital model to drive all engineering activities. So the concept really behind that is that when you're engineering, you're looking at the source authority model instead of looking at a bunch of disassociated and disconnected documentation. Model-based definition is basically that definition that replaces or takes the form of a model rather than a drawing, although you can have a drawing be a downstream derivative of that information. Model-based definition is an annotated model and its associated data elements that define the product that can be used effectively without a drawing. So we're trying to grab all the good information that exists on the drawing to communicate the design intent, manufacturing intent, and inspection intent, and include that on the source authority model so that then downstream applications can take advantage of the geometry and all of the geometric dimensioning and tolerancing that would be digitally associated to those particular features that they describe. If we look at model-based enterprise is basically the infrastructure, the enterprise that would put in place all of model-based definition and model-based engineering kind of practices. MBD gets interchangeably kind of used with model-based design and model-based definition. The big difference is model-based definition is becoming an ASME, or American Standards for Mechanical Engineers, Y14 series standard nomenclature, and it means something very specific. So model-based design is basically just the conceptual concept of using that model for all the engineering activities.